Hello traders, on this occasion I will share my experience using the Bonnita EA Expert Advisor. I shared this Expert Advisor about 8 weeks ago. For your information, according to some people, this is not the original version of Bonnita EA. And I also agree with that statement. This is a modified version of the Bonnita EA rebuild. For the parameters that are used, you can pay attention here. These are the parameters that I use when running observation trading. Let's analyze the detailed results from the MQL5 report. From a capital of $1,000 the profit earned has now reached 150%. This is the result of a Forex trading report using the Bonnita EA rebuild. You can see here, this Expert Advisor generates a very high drawdown of up to 93%, meaning that EA almost suffered a margin call loss with a capital of $1,000. Even though the profit generated is up to 150% of the results of carrying out observations for these 3 months, I don't think this Expert Advisor is feasible to run using a capital of $1,000. The pairs that I run here are 2 pairs. From a capital of $1,000, the lowest equity ever reached $162. Detailed statistical information. Total trading for 8 weeks, as many as 1107 transactions. Profit ratio 74%. This is the result of trading running 2 pairs, Great British Pounds US Dollar and ER/USD. Great British Pound US Dollar profit $1,400 and Euro US Dollar profit $1,100. This is the result of Forex trading using Bonnita EA rebuild for 8 weeks, with 2 pairs running Great British Pound US Dollar and Euro US Dollar. Both of them generate profits, but the drawdown that is generated is very large if you use $1,000 capital for 2 pairs. It will be very risky if you use this EA on a real account with a capital of $1,000. Whatever Expert Advisor you want to use, make sure you try it first on a demo account for at least 1 month to get profit and loss data. More than that will be more accurate data generated. Thanks for watching till the end.